to a new episode of the ABCs of Business. If you're ready to learn 2 new business terms, keep watching. Conversion rate is the percentage of users who have completed a desired action. Imagine this: a marketing coach sells ebooks on her website. On the first day of her sales launch, her website gains 100,000 page views and her ebook is downloaded 100 times. You should expect a 5% response rate for direct mail and a 30% conversion rate for emails. Differentiation in business refers to the principal setting in which you set your company apart from others in specific elements. Differentiation helps your business compete without lowering your prices, building customer loyalty, and developing unique products and services. Customer reviews and testimonials help prove your authority as well as differentiate your business from the rest. I hope you learned a little bit more about conversion rate and differentiation. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.